600 years ago, HuaNing people began to build kilns to make pottery. Superb skills passed down by craftsmen generation after generation. HuaNing pottery has delicate quality, colorful glaze, and exquisite crack patterns. Now it is famous far and wide. Working around the kiln all year round, Dai YunMing is experienced in taking advantage of local conditions. When waiting for the pottery to be fired, he often cooks unique kiln dishes to treat people. A variety of home-cooked spices are the base of flavor. Make cuts on the skin of local free-range hen. In the process of pickling, these cuts will allow the fast invasion of various tastes. Like doing massage. Put all the spices and let it stand for 4 hours. The kiln needs to be preheated, an art of temperature. The firewood burns out, no open flame then. The inner wall needs to rise to 380 degrees Celsius. Red clay used to fire pottery is common in HuaNing. After pulverizing the clay into powder, add water and mix it into the wet clay. The process is like kneading dough or kid playing with mud. Get the hen pieced with an iron hook. The lotus leaf with delicate fragrance turns into a coat. After the hen is wrapped, bundle it with a piece of string to make chicken untainted by the clay. Red clay can adhere to the lotus leaf. Dai YunMing needs to make the coat uniformly applied. At last, pierce holes in the coat like a honeycomb with a bamboo stick to transmit hot air. The kiln has suitable temperature now. The roast will last for an hour. In order to make full use of the heat of kiln, Dai YunMing usually stews a pot of beef. Stir-fry the beef, then stew it on the kiln. When the chicken is being roasted and beef stewed, the sharp tile grater will help Dai YunMing make another dish. Grate the fresh lotus root into small pieces. Then blend it with meat and vegetables. Roll lotus root balls that can be steamed and fried. As the dusk is approaching, the lotus leaf kiln chicken is ready. Chicken skin is golden and crisp, and its aroma is mouth-watering. The meat is tender, juicy, and delicious, fueling the soul directly. Serve with spicy and mellow beef with soft and chewy taste, and delicate and dense lotus root balls. It is the favorite kiln banquet for Dai YunMing and his friends. The kiln fire is flickering. It is the dietary wisdom of pottery craftsmen and daily life of HuaNing people.